Hello everyone, and welcome to this short video about DataStax AstraDB. AstraDB is a Cassandra as a Service database that takes away all of the difficult parts of working with Apache Cassandra. Creating an AstraDB database is very simple. Let me show you. First of all, let's go to astra.datastax.com, and it'll ask you to log in or create an account. We do offer single sign-on with both GitHub and Google, and for me, I'm just going to go ahead and use my Google account. Now, as you can see, it first pops up with our dashboard. We have a message down here showing you how to kind of navigate your way around Astra. We also have a way of creating an AstraDB database by using our CLI, but I'm going to show you how to do this using our user interface. So let's just go over here and say create database. Okay, now I will want to create a database that can support generative AI types of applications. So to do that, I am going to need one that is vector database enabled. So I'm going to make sure that I have serverless vector database selected here. I'm going to name my database, and I'm going to pick my cloud. I'm going to stick with Google Cloud, just because that's where my application is going to be, so I'll want those to kind of be the same. And then I'll pick my available region over here, US East 1, and I'll say Create Database. Now, the next screen that it goes to tells you that the database creation for Database 1 is pending, and it'll take a few minutes before that goes to being ready for use. Now, while you're waiting for that process, there are some extra things that you can do to enhance your development environment, and that's what we've outlined here below. For instance, talking about how to set your environment variables, generate an application token, and even install a AstraDB Data API client for development in either Python, TypeScript, or Java. And then finally, of course, a little bit of code showing how to connect using those same languages. I will actually go and generate a token. And you can see my token gets created here, and I can click the copy button. Then I'll go paste that off to the side so that I can use that later. All right, as you can see, my database has gone to active, and I am ready to use it. One thing worth pointing out here is that when you create a new AstraDB database, it automatically creates a key space. And in this case, the key space is named default key space. A key space is actually a collection of tables, and usually you name it after the application that it's supporting, just something for you to give the other engineers you work with an easy descriptive way to see what data the key space actually supports. If you need to create an additional key space, you can actually click the down button here and say create key space. So I'm just going to create one called e-commerce and say add key space. And there you go. As you can see, DataStax AstraDB is an easy way to create a distributed NoSQL database to help support your applications that need data at scale.